What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use Samsung Wallet. So this is a tutorial on Samsung Wallet, and when you open your Samsung Wallet app, you'll be seeing this page. At the top right corner you have the plus icon there, the what's new icon, and the more options icon with the three dots. Then at the bottom you have quick access, which is where we're at, and all. Now when you press on the plus icon there, this will show you some options to add your wallet, such as payment cards, vouchers, Samsung Pass, gifts cards, etc. In order to add, just tap on any. For example, you could tap on memberships, you could tap on vouchers, Samsung Pass, travel tickets, then gift cards, or transport cards. And you can add any information depending on these categories. Now, when we go back to the main dashboard and click on what's new, here you'll see tabs such as notices for your notifications, promotions, suggestions, etc. And then back at the dashboard, when you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, you can see quick access and settings. Now, the quick access basically gives you easy access to certain content of your wallet as you may choose regardless of its category. So you may want to tap on the blue button, add card, and choose what you wish to add. Then back on the dashboard, at the bottom, we're going to switch tabs from quick access to all. Now here you're going to find everything in your wallet according to the category, and you can open them up to either add or view information. Then at the top right, you can also click on the three dots there to find more settings with regards to your wallet, such as account and syncing, verification method, importing or exporting your Samsung Pass data, and if you wish to add it to your home screen for quicker access. Now, when you click on the account and syncing, you'll find details of your Samsung Wallet account, synchronization options, whether it's with the cloud or with calendar. Now, the add to event calendar option is a nice feature that helps keep track of your voucher expiration, and you can make the best use of your, say, voucher before its expiration, and it will help with this. Then under verification method, you can find settings on fingerprint, changing your PIN, and when you're using Samsung Pass, if you'd like to use lock screen pattern or not. So when it's toggled off, Samsung Pass will prompt you to use your default verification methods, such as your iris scan or your fingerprint. Then you have other options such as permissions, where you can see all review permissions used by the app and be kept in the know. And we're back to the dashboard. So we hope this tutorial will help you to be able to use Samsung Wallet app in an optimal way to save your sensitive information and use them with ease depending on what you want. So you want to go ahead and use your Samsung Wallet app to make things easier and secure with your sensitive information.